What is up, everybody? Welcome to the Burndown YouTube channel. So today is another quick kind of update video. We're doing the hour a day thing. Finished up working, and then I went over. My buddy Travis was awesome. He went to Anaheim Gear and picked up, oh, I think it's in the truck still. He picked up, ta-da! This is another third member. So I have my other third member outside here. I can't lift this up one-handed, but I've got this dude here, which is mine. And then we went to the good old car wash, and I did the, hey, I'm just gonna wash these parts in the back of my truck car wash. So we rinsed everything off, and what we're gonna do is we will take the one in the box. We'll probably just do it right here on the bed of the truck. So I just need to know that the spider gears that go inside here will fit this. This is my rear end out of the Twinnebago. Guess I should have said that. So we're working on seeing if the spider gears out of here, which is a similar rear end, everything looks the same. We'll have to count, make sure it's 35 spline. We could probably just grab an axle and stab it in one of those. So let me get this out of here. We'll put it over there, and then we're gonna find out right now together. So if that works, hopefully we will be back in business. Right, so this, ooh, look at that. That's what mine was supposed to look like compared to, yeah, so these, look at that. I think, let's try the old swap-a-roo just for, look at that, bam, we are in like Flynn, boys. So that should, oh, we got a little action on this. Let me set you down. We'll move this guy over. So let me dry this up and we'll show you, but we should just be able to take that, do one of those. We're gonna be, looks like rock and roll. So let me dry this up real quick. We'll bring you back. Here we go, the moment of truth. I think it's the same stuff, but we're gonna just take this out, see if it slides in here, and then we should be good. Need some dramatic music. Dun 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 dun. We gotta wait because I gotta put this gear in first. Wow, that's what they're supposed to look like. It's supposed to have teeth. Dun 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 dun. Woo! Dun 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 dun. Bada boom. Bada bing. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Look at that. So we are good on all of those fronts. There she is. She just dropped down like magic. It is all in there. So just to show you, look, we are money. So I'm cool, man. I think I'm straight with all that. So again, this thing's a little beat up, but make sure, I'll just make sure this stuff that's on here, like, that's not going to chip off or come off. Any of these little like loose end guys, when it's rotating so we don't chew our gears up. But that is in, and then the only thing left to check, so we'll make sure an axle goes into there. So that is the final test. I could count these out. It's easier just to go get an axle. Grab an axle, we're gonna slide it home. I think we're gonna be good to go. We'll put the bagel back together. Life's gonna be gravy. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I want to send a big shout out and thank you to Anaheim Gear for making this happen. No idea where they found this, so this is a good used set from what I understand. Looks good. Looks good to me. It's funny because the threads, they just got stuff in them. I think we're good. Anyways, Anaheim Gear is awesome. 35 spline, open diff. We are rock and roll. So that's it. I'm just going to make sure this thing's nice and cleaned up. We have work to do, so I think tomorrow after work we will crawl underneath and scoop out all of the fluid, rinse it out, put lights in there, magnets, make sure I get everything out so we're not chewing up these gears. So these gears look beautiful. And then make sure everything seats properly, that there's no action going on here, everything clears. We're going to bolt this thing together, slam it on home, and then I've got some gear oil already. I went to Tractor Supply, so we should be rock and roll. So that is it. I'm super stoked. It's been a bit of a journey, and then no more burnouts for a while, so don't even ask, because so far we've gone to a transmission and basically a rear differential spider gear set. So I'm good on the burnout career. We have plenty of fun stuff planned for it. It just needs to run and drive and be a normal deal. So that's it. You guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, share. I'm out.